So randomly I thought, hey, my world looks a bit odd. So it's not a really cool world to explore. Of course, I need to still generate and model stuff for the other sides of the planet, but still the grassland looks a bit boring, I guess. So let's change that. What about having cool bridges within the game? And you already see here some temporary blocks, and this follows the logic where I can put bridges inside of my procedural generated Perlin noise map. And I really like that this logic is working now. But how did I do that? So after generating all my world, I now want to add some decorative environment stuff, so nothing you can really collect or destroy or something like that. And I just go over my world grid and then I check, okay, I need only the cell types which are on the ground, because if that is so, I check to the right and to the upside in a way of a raycast, if you want it that way. So I just go a straight line, which is the max bridge length. I said that this is, in my example, 5, so the bridge is maximum of 5 blocks and a minimum of 3 blocks. And as I said, I go a straight line to the left, to the right, and then in the next iteration upwards. I check on the left and on the right side of this line if both fields are liquid, because I do want to have the bridge in the middle of something liquid, and I do not want it to be at the border of the ground tile. And if this is also true, then I go the straight line and add the distance, and I go the distance over all the liquid. And when I found the next block, which is a ground block or a ground cell, then I check if the minimum distance is reached. If not, then we're just returning, and if so, then we'll spawn the whole bridge. And that's basically it, that's the logic. I then went straight back to Magica Voxel and created some kind of a bridge. I think for the first iteration it looks quite well, and yeah. And now it looks a lot cooler. It looks, yeah, like there are bridges. I really love the idea that you now have bridges where the players can go over. Of course, this is an A-star pathfinding system, so the player has to check, or the unit has to check himself if it doesn't make sense to go over this bridge. However, it looks a lot cooler. Maybe I need to reduce this bridge amount or the probability of the spawn rate of the bridge, but I really like that for now. Yep, and that's it actually. These are the bridges, and I think I'm going to create another objects for this environment which are harvestable, or like the bridge, not harvestable, but pretty nice for the visuals. And I think in the next videos there will be a lot more of content instead of mechanics. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then please hit the like button. If you don't like the video, then please hit the dislike button and comment down below what I can do better, and we'll see us in the next video. Bye.